On December 6, 2024, Kurganmashzavod, a key subsidiary of Rostec's High Precision Systems Holding, announced the fulfillment of its 2024 State Defense Order. This includes the delivery of the final batch of upgraded BTR MDM Rakushka amphibious armored personnel carriers, APCs, to the Russian Airborne Forces. While the exact number of vehicles delivered has not been disclosed, this final shipment follows an earlier delivery in late October. The BTR MDM, which entered service in 2016, was developed to replace the aging BTR-D in the Russian Airborne Forces fleet as part of an ongoing modernization initiative. This upgrade is particularly significant, as it reflects lessons learned from ongoing operations in Ukraine, with a series of enhancements aimed at boosting the vehicle's survivability and effectiveness in modern combat scenarios. The 2024 version of the BTR MDM incorporates several important upgrades, derived from operational experiences in Ukraine. These modifications include additional armor to better protect against aerial threats, along with the installation of the Nakidka system designed to reduce the vehicle's thermal and radar signatures, improving its stealth and survivability. A further enhancement comes in the form of the Mongol Upper Hemisphere Protection Kit, aimed at bolstering the vehicle's defensive capabilities. Driver stations have been fitted with night vision devices, improving operational efficiency under low light conditions, while electronic warfare systems targeting unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have been integrated to counter aerial threats. The BTR MDM Rakushka is an upgraded version of the BTR-MD and shares several components with the BMD, 4M and BMP, 3M infantry fighting vehicles. It features a robust 500 horsepower UTD-29 diesel engine, an improved transmission, and a reinforced suspension system, enabling it to traverse difficult terrain at speeds of up to 70 km per hour. The vehicle is also amphibious, with a top water speed of 10 km per hour provided by 2 water jets, further expanding its operational versatility. In terms of armament, the BTR MDM is equipped with a remotely operated weapon station, typically armed with either a 7.62 mm or 12.7 mm machine gun, enhancing its offensive and defensive capabilities. The vehicle's armor is designed to withstand small arms fire, shell fragments, and incorporates nuclear protection and fire suppression systems, ensuring crew safety even in hostile environments. Designed for airborne operations, the BTR MDM can be airdropped from military transport aircraft thanks to its hydropneumatic suspension system, which offers variable ground clearance. It is capable of carrying up to 13 troops or various types of cargo, including up to 6 stretchers. Access to the vehicle is facilitated through a rear hatch and roof hatches. In addition to the standard APC version, specialized variants of the BTR MDM have been developed. For instance, the MRUD radar vehicle, based on the same chassis, is designed to detect low and medium altitude airborne targets, tracking up to 100 targets at a range of 40 kilometers. Another variant, the MPD Automated Air Defense Control System, can detect and track up to 100 targets at distances of up to 150 kilometers and supports 4 remotely operated workstations, making it a key asset in the Russian air defense network. As of early 2024, approximately 90 BTR MDM units were reported in service. However, the vehicles have also seen significant losses in combat operations, particularly in Ukraine, where open-source intelligence reports indicate that at least 45 BTR MDMs have been destroyed, damaged, abandoned, or captured by enemy forces. This includes 32 destroyed, 3 damaged, and several abandoned or captured units. Despite these losses, production of the BTR MDM continues at Kurganmashzavod, with deliveries scheduled to occur on a monthly basis under current defense contracts. New contracts are expected to begin in 2025, ensuring the continued supply of these enhanced armored personnel carriers for the Russian Airborne Forces. This ongoing production underscores the Russian military's commitment to providing its airborne units with equipment tailored to modern operational needs. The successful delivery of the upgraded BTR MDM Rakushka armored personnel carriers marks a significant milestone in the modernization of the Russian Airborne Forces. With continuous improvements based on real-world combat experiences, these vehicles are poised to remain a cornerstone of Russia's airborne operations for the foreseeable future, combining enhanced protection, mobility, and combat effectiveness.